What's up, guys? It's the Smooth King 2000 back with another reaction video for today. And today I'm going to be reacting to crazy rolling car crash caught on camera, caught on inside camera reaction. Now, so let's check this shit out. His scream was so funny. he just acting like nothing happened. Well, that'd be popular on YouTube. Oh wait. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy, bro. Did you see his scream though? That shit was hilarious. Did he land it though? I want to know if he landed. Let me know what y'all think in the comment. Did he land the car? I know the car crashed. The shit was flying and all that shit. But anyway, post your comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. I think that shit was crazy, bro. And he caught that shit on camera. He was what the fuck song he was singing though? What song he was singing? But anyway, like, subscribe. I'm out. Smooth King out.